In today's video, I'll show you how to use Notion AI to write better. We will start right here on my Notion page, which currently holds a draft of an article about deep work. The first thing I want to do is expand on the opening paragraph to give it a little more depth. I'll go ahead and highlight this entire first block of text. Once it is selected, I'll click on the AI Sparkle icon that appears in the floating menu. From the drop-down list of options, I am going to choose Make Longer. Notion AI immediately starts generating a more detailed version of my original paragraph. It just takes a few seconds to process. Once it finishes, I can read through the newly generated text. Since it looks great, I will accept the changes to replace my original selection. Now my introduction is much more thorough. Now that I have adjusted specific sections, I want to make sure the entire document is polished. To do this, I'll move my cursor over to the Notion AI chat panel located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the chat box, I'll type a custom prompt asking the AI to make sure the grammar is correct. I will hit enter and the AI will analyze the entire page. When it is finished, it provides a brief summary in the side panel, letting me know it corrected the grammar and cleaned up the punctuation. You can also see it conveniently highlights all of the specific changes directly in the text in blue. This makes it very easy for me to scroll through and visually review exactly what was modified. And that's it. That's how you use Notion AI to write better.